นี่แล้วเหรอ
โอ้ยคิวเขียว
เขาไปถึงหลายคนสวมเป็นอาทิตย์ละขึ้นประมาณนี้
Because we discovered an 8,000-year-old blackbird jawbone and a 5,000-year-old blackbird leg bone in this group. And you guys can actually see those on display in our displays, no lights, no handrails. And we would provide you guys with a headlamp and gloves to wear out the car.
Okay, thanks. Nhạc vào tiểu kiều lông. Asyai. Hạt bầy mộ chiều na hi ben. Gan.
Lên pinapay mo lang. Không cái lớn gì anh ơi.
In pi bằng cây đâu mua mà thế.
We're in here. Looks like all metal benches are taken, but you can sit on some of the rock wall sections too. These are man-made rock walls, so they are totally fine to sit down.
Tuổi nữa. Hôm nay ngồi kịp gọi lại xong à vâng. Phải sáng mà mấy mua đi về.
Only about 20 million years ago, when this part of Texas, still under that warm and shallow ocean, was now.
Cái sọc được mà lên. 边。kita nak bawa nanti gong sum nak tampil je nanti lagi. Allah saya nak tu ke buat yang. Kaya kong kipay ngam di kike.
Alright, well, I want to go ahead and welcome everyone to our second largest room. This room is 5,250 feet long, and this is the room that we call the Castle of the White Giants. So y'all are welcome to take just a little bit of time getting some photos down there. It's probably the best spot to get the whole room. But please understand that this is a pretty big group with a lot of different families that came to visit today. So just try to keep that in mind as you get a few pictures, and then y'all can meet me in the middle of the room, which is where I will go right now.
Toxia lên đi lại phụ tế quay tô lên đặt ta là sẽ dở dở nó sơ rồi cả tụi nó đi slowly.
I have a bad knee. You gotta take a break.
Yes. Hát xìa lại nào đang tài tôi dạ tay cả tổ lòng cả tổ lòng nhá chỉ ho luôn là phải lòng wow pek dengan yang pai bisa dengar ini nama lah ni om ya tunggu ya now ya kena ini
Mantap mai.
Boleh itu sih, oke.
chắc chắn là xe nó tới dạy đàn nơi ạ và nó làm việc từ
Wow.